DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Alright, so this one, right there. And I've got two of them for this one that are half-assed. One of these is totally toast. That one's good. And this is the one that toasted. So we can put these in. Rain. I mean, it's just sprinkling, but it's been the weirdest thing for a few days now. You know? Now look, if you just put one in, you just have one. Okay, there's one. That sucker's tight with just one. You know what? I needed to check behind here. I didn't like something. I felt something that I didn't like. I want to make sure that because that's important to have this side. But there's nothing here. This is good. Alright. Okay, fine. Yeah, that feels pretty good. So if you just put one in, you know, that's plenty. Because these literally do nothing. In the grand scheme of things, they don't do shit. But I'll use them. Oh, and then they bind up. You know what? So let's put a little bit of anti-seize on these fuckers. Just for that reason, because they get so screwed up. Give it some anti-seize. And the other one too. Son of a bitch. John, my landscaping buddy, he draw a circle about a yard across. If 3 drops fell in that circle, we quit. Shit. I gotta wipe that down again. I got grease on it. Get a fresh towel. Oh, let's use our starting fluid. Yeah. Starting fluid makes a really good degreaser. Yeah, this thing's leaking all over the fucking place. That's why it caught fire. I'll tell you what, starting fluid is a fuck of a lot cheaper than brake cleaner. It does exactly the same thing. It probably works better. I'm gonna soak this and do the back, just for grins. Find a clean spot. It is very fucking flammable. I mean, crazy flammable. Okay, now we can put this on. Where does it go? Right there. Not there. I know where you go. You go right there. Oh, now you started. I don't think these Loctite is these. Something. Where's the hole? Right there. Wiggle it around until it finds itself. Jesus. Oh, you know what? I might have screwed up the backing plate on this side. Oh, there it goes. Here's some rubbing. This isn't tight yet. I have to bang that backing plate with something. Oh, okay, cool. No rubbing. Let's turn you this way. So that I can get to those nuts better. Try not to touch the brake rotor. Mr. Yellow, where are you, Mr. Yellow? There you are. Oh no, it's Mr. Orange. This is the 17, not the 19. In fact, I don't even need this extension. Bet you I can joint it. Okay, this is as far as it turns. It's got to turn farther than that. Is there something hanging up? That's the sway bar. I know this turns more. I guess I can use the steering wheel. It's not in park. There. Hi, Perlita. How are you? How's your day going, Perlita? Oh, you're such a sweetie. Yes, you are. You're the best dog. She's a German Shepherd. I don't know if she's purebred or not, but she sure has good lines, you know? You look at her from the side, and it's like you're looking at a show dog. Alright. This is tight, this is tight. Time to tighten these guys. Time to tighten these guys, Perlita. Ow. Oh, you want to do that? Here, take the wrench. You can do it. Put it in your teeth and tighten those two bolts. Would you please? Please tighten those two bolts. I tell you guys the best dog tag. Needs medication and the phone number. Dinka dinka. Oh, that was really loose. Okay, let's put a cheater on those. Get those nice and tight. Let's see. Yeah. Definitely don't want to strip anything, but these are pretty hefty bolts. I cannot believe it's raining. This is that OEM, I mean the aftermarket. I don't really like it that much. Okay. Now we can tighten this sucker. Take this out of the rain. Get this out of the rain. What the fuck? I got a bunch of shit out. Now it's raining. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. I need a cheater on this. Oh, that's for my garden. I'm supposed to be doing garden work, but everything's on hold until I get this done. I got a Pixel 2. I love that metal Pixel. Well, I love it most of it I love. But stick that in there. But then they keep fucking with it. What are they up to now? The Pixel 13 or something? Pixel 8? I don't use my phone. The only thing I use my phone for is to give myself notes. You know, talk to people and text people. And, you know, talk on the phone and take pictures. Okay. See where the original staking was? Let's put some whammy on this. Maximum whammy. I don't know what the torque is on this one either. Oh, that was just beautiful. This thing comes apart. It's supposed to have detents, but it doesn't have. They don't work for shit. Put it under tension. Put this bar on it. I'm gonna call that good. I'm calling it good. Look at that. Here's where the original staking was. Oh shit, it's down there. Well, that's okay. It's gonna get staked there now. It's a little different. I would think it would be the same. But I definitely can't torque it all the way to there. It wouldn't work. I got a file here. I made myself a staker. Oh no, that was the unstake. I think this will work. Big hammer. I kind of like it when it's raining though. You know, this is the desert. We don't get enough rain. Alright, so you go there. Shit, that's right in the way. That bolt. There, staked. Okay. Progress. Wonder how bad it'll rain. So now, brake pads and rotor. Close all the drawers. Because there's Wawa coming down. Wawa. Alright, so why did I grab this towel? Oh, to keep it out of the rain. I'll put it in the drawer. Alright, and so now we put brake pads in. Then we'll check everything. Okay, that hydraulic speed sensor is good. This is good. The ball joint's good. These I torqued the shit out of. I torqued these two bolts. Okay, so I don't think I forgot anything. Hopefully not. Okay, those go there. My little spreader. Hey, we should be able to get this on the road, knock on wood, today. Knock, knock, knock. Let's take the rotor off the hook. The brake, whatever. I call everything wrong names. Okay, these just sit there for a while. Put these little spreader clips on. It's kind of weird that some rebuild kits don't come with them. You kind of got to hold them together until you get this started. Guess what? I need to squeeze that piston in, I think. Maybe. Yeah. I think I can do it with the channel locks. The big boys. Just need to move it a little tiny bit. Growl at it. The spreader bar fell down. Put the spreader bar in again. Find the hole. Okay. Then we can put this in. There we go. Beautiful. What a beauty. Make sure you don't twist this line. Start that one. You gotta start them all before you tighten them. What the hell is going on there? Oh. Finger tight. I wonder if I'm going to need a backup on this. We'll find out. And this one. Is it this one? Nope. There it is right here. 12 milli. Okay. Let's use my favorite wrench. I tell you guys how much I love this wrench, this socket, whatever it is. It wants to turn, but I think once it gets tight, it won't. Jesus. I need to spray some lube in there because it doesn't ratchet like it used to. Okay, sometimes you gotta back this nut up. Start spinning, but this is getting tight. Okay, that's good. Ditto for down there. But usually when it's tight, you don't need a backup. It won't. It's not gonna turn. Okay, I gotta think on how much to put on this. Right there. Okay, together. Together again. Hey, you know what? I think we're ready to take this thing down off the jacks, off the blocks. I think we're there, kids. Double check. Maybe I should have a checklist. You know what I thought was weird? Listen to this shit. So I'm watching these aircraft disaster movies every once in a while, right? And they have like on one of them, it's like one of the engines catches on fire, right? So they break out the checklist for engine on fire. You know, they got to read this checklist. Meanwhile, the fucking engine's burning. I'm going, hey, how about you guys memorize that shit? You know? I mean, they got a checklist for everything. But I think some things you gotta, you know, memorize it so you can know what to do instantly. That's okay. So I push the caliper back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to double think everything, look at everything, make sure everything's, I didn't forget anything, I didn't fuck anything up. And then we're gonna, you know, drop it down, put the wheels on. Okay, onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.